So I don't know about you, but sometimes you just want to go and ride your bike, but you notice your bike is under a pile of other bikes, which is, it's a bummer sometimes. So we got this thing called the Hornit Clug or Klug, I don't know what it's pronounced, and we're going to try to install this to see, make it easier to get in and out of the garage with the bikes. So here's what they look like now, and the ideas are going to come up on the wall. So here we go. You stick this to the wall. Keep in mind, the bike is the back wheel is gonna touch the wall. That's the design. So go ahead and touch, and you want to get this part right. You want to stick that little square on there, make sure that it looks right, and then we're gonna start drilling. All right, we got professionals on this job. All right, so what are you doing here?
Marking the holes based on the template that they gave us. Here and here.
Okay, you can see on the wall.
We're gonna drill here and here.
All right.
If you look here, you'll see that the marks here, so I'm just making sure that it aligns. And there's a little leeway as to when you put...
All right, so what are you gonna do next?
I'm gonna put the mollies, I'm gonna drill the hole, put the mollies in, and then this and the screw. Last and final piece. Let's see how we did.
So we just finished installing two of these hybrid Hornit Clug or Clug. So we did it here in the garage. Out there, wife was able to get these up. The first one we took a little time, made it perfect. I think the first one took maybe 30 minutes or less. The second one I think you did in 10 minutes. And so this is it. They're up on the wall, so just start using this. I gotta tell you, it's very convenient. I like the fact that you can just come in and out of the garage, the door's open. So like right now, if I just wanna get out of here, this is open, I just pull it off the wall, and I'm out of here. So I like that, but the thing I gotta tell you, just from using this, I'm gonna put it back up. Just getting used, you gotta line this up. You get used to it. You line it up, put it on there. Now the thing is, this is fine, I like it, but it's not super stable. So if these guys hit each other, they actually fall off the wall. But for now, it's pretty good. The things, I think they were between $30 and $40 a piece. It's a piece of plastic, but it actually works. So far, I think so far so good. I like the freedom of getting in and out of here. So hope this was helpful, and I'll leave some information in the description. I'll put the information, but we're not a sponsor, we're not paid, but we're just letting you know what we found helpful. Thank you. I'm out of here. Oh. Perfect.